In this video we're going to start fixing this iPhone 7. I know it's old, but it doesn't matter. It will be basically almost the same thing for almost any other phone. So we're going to switch cameras so that way you can see. What amazed me about this phone that it dies very quickly. I mean, this is my phone, and Apple, they have replaced the battery, and even though after a year they start dying again. So it says maximum capacity 50%. So if I use this phone for 1 hour, from 100% it will go to 1% in very quickly, just within 1 hour. So if you see this, that is bad news for you. So I'll try to do a close-up so that way you can see it better. These are the tools that you see that what we are going to use. So basically you pull down and then type health or battery. There we go. Battery health, you tap there and then you will see this. So we're going to turn it off. In this case, you push on the side, turn this off. I like the phone. It's better than the iPhone 11 Pro that I have here. I like the size, but you know, this is what we have right now. So now that the phone is off, you can tell because you're pushing the button, you are not feeling anything. So now we could use this kit, but usually this kit is almost useless. And I'm using this screwdriver. It's amazing. You do this and you have all the tips that you ever need, at least for iPhone 11 Pro and 11 and also iPhone 10. So basically here you have, as usual, you have the 2 screws and you have to remove them all. Now I'm going to use my plier. If it doesn't work, you have to try to put some water here to crack it open. Okay, as you can see, this is a new plier that I have, but even if I do it all the way, as you can see, it doesn't work. It doesn't have enough. The opening is not big enough, so I'm going to buy another one. So I was expecting something better. Otherwise, I have to see maybe if I can cut it here, so I can cut it a little bit better. If that is the case, I'm going to try. These are new tools, so we're going to try this. I used to have a good one of these, but someone took it and now I have to start all over again with my tools. So let's see if we can make it work. It's not enough. It's not enough. We're going to try to warm up the edges. It's not working. Going anywhere. Okay, as you can see with the knife, we're lifting this up little by little, and it's working. has a lot of glue. It has been replaced already, the battery, like I mentioned before. We have to be very careful with the flex. There you go. Nice. The phone is still off, so when you start repairing the phone, try to avoid touching the power button here. So we should be good now. This is kind of tight here, so I'm going to use memory RAM in order to hold it in place. And what we can do is try to remove those screws that you see over here. So those are the 3 sided screws. I think this is the one. Alright, I was able to remove it. I had to change the screwdriver. For some reason the other one wasn't working anymore. So maybe it was very tight. Sometimes it happens, but like I said, you have the 3 screws here are the same. That one is different. This is the longest one. So we're going to remove it. There you go. As you can see, that is the battery. Now we have to try to unglue it. There you go. Alright, so now we have the battery almost there. So now what we have to do, we have to try to pull the strips you're going to see with this. Usually these are the strips come with this. Alright, now we're going to peel this. Hopefully you can see it on the video. But here you have the adhesive that goes inside. Those are the 2 adhesives that you're going to see inside, like that, you see? So basically, like that. So once you put them, you pull them from here. Now you have to pull without breaking them. go, you have it all. So some people say that you have to remove this, but it's not needed. As you can see, the only thing that you have to make sure is that you have enough light to see that. You're pulling little by little. There you go. We remove it all. So now this, I'm going to toss it away. Now we have the new battery. Hopefully this will do the trick. If you pierce it, you're going to start a fire with this battery. So don't pierce it, don't bend it. It will not bend and it will not blend either. So you can just leave it like that here, but or put some glue here for next time, or you can use this. Some batteries, they come without it. When we're going to glue it like that, it will be easier for you, for me. Next time you pull those bad boys, everything should be okay. There we go. As you can see, it's working already. Now we're fully charged. And there you go, you close it. That's it. So let's battery health again, 100% maximum. Wow, that was a huge improvement. So hopefully it will last for maybe a year or two. That's it for now. So you put the screws here back like I showed you before, and that's it. Beautiful.